Okay, welcome back. So let's quickly touch the last but not the least on showcase. So we want to style our showcase H1, that is adding other showcase the this thing affordable professional web design. So we want it to look like this. So I say margin top 100 pixel. I don't think I need to explain this much. Font size so that it can be very bold, 55 pixel. Margin bottom 10 pixel. Then showcase speed the paragraph. So margin font size rather 20 pixel. Okay, so that's exactly what we have here now. Affordable professional web design, and then so this is 55 pixel now. Then this one 20 pixel. So after this we will be going to our newsletter, and then we are closing to the end. All right, see you in the next class. Bye.